Hi, glowing buddy. Today I will draw Dad dressed like a caveman, with wild hair and leafy clothes, riding on a strong horse that shines under the sun. While the picture slowly takes shape, let's enjoy a tale where the past feels playful and family laughter fills the air. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel, so every silly ride can sparkle everywhere. Now tell me, if you could ride a horse, would you gallop fast or stroll slow? The morning sky was painted bright. Bluey and Bingo laughed with delight. But suddenly, they froze in place when Dad appeared with a funny face. He wore rough leaves, his beard hung low, pretending he lived from long ago. He puffed his chest, he stomped so loud, like a caveman strong and proud. "Me caveman Dad," he called with cheer. "Me ride big horse, no need to fear." The horse pranced tall, its mane blew free. Bluey shouted, "That's history." Bingo giggled, "You look so wild, like a storybook from when time was styled." Dad swung a stick, he raised it high, pretending to chase birds in the sky. "Can you stomp your feet like Dad? 1, 2, 3. It's not so bad. Pretend you're fierce with a giant roar, like cavemen lived in days of yore." Mom appeared with a playful grin. "What's this show you're acting in, Caveman Dad? Where is your cave, your fire warm, your stones so brave?" So Bluey and Bingo built with glee a blanket cave for all to see. They painted suns with colors bright. They drew big stars across the night. Dad bowed down, his eyes so wide. "This cave is strong, a place to hide." Bluey laughed, "And here we'll stay till the moonlight ends the day." Bingo whispered, "Let's cook pretend, a caveman feast that never ends." They baked fake fish, they stirred pretend stew. They clapped their hands, their joy grew true. "Can you clap 3 times with me? 1, 2, 3. So happily. Pretend your hands can cook with fire, warming dreams that never tire." The horse stood near, calm and sweet, its gentle breath a steady beat. Dad rode once more, his head held high, but soon he yawned beneath the sky. The stars appeared, the air turned mild. Bluey leaned close, her voice was wild. "You're still our dad, no matter the play. A caveman now, tomorrow a night one day." He hugged them both, his heart so true. Caveman strong, but love stronger too. So close your eyes, let dreams ride near, with horses bold and skies so clear. Tomorrow brings adventures new, with Bluey's love surrounding you.